Get ready, tech enthusiast. Intel's Arrow Lake processors have just landed, and they promise to revolutionize gaming and computing like never before. With cutting-edge AI capabilities and impressive efficiency, these new CPUs are Intel's response to fierce competition from AMD. Let's dive into what makes Arrow Lake a game-changer. Intel has faced significant challenges in recent years, particularly with its previous Raptor Lake refresh, which struggled with power efficiency and performance compared to AMD's robust offerings. As users demand more power and less energy consumption, Intel has been lagging behind. The need for a processor that balances high performance with low power draw has never been more critical, especially for gamers and content creators seeking top-tier performance without skyrocketing energy bills. Enter Arrow Lake. Intel claims these processors reduce power consumption by up to 30% compared to the last generation while boosting multi-threaded performance by 10%. The flagship Intel Core Ultra 9 285K features 24 cores and a maximum speed of 5.7 GHz, all while maintaining a TDP of just 250W. These improvements are crucial in an era where efficiency is key. With integrated AI, improved architectural designs, and support for the latest connectivity standards, Arrow Lake aims to set a new benchmark in the industry. The introduction of a dedicated Neural Processing Unit (NPU) sets Arrow Lake apart. This innovation enables the CPU to handle AI-driven tasks seamlessly, allowing for faster processing and more responsive gaming experiences. During testing, the Ultra 9 285K demonstrated significant power savings while delivering performance that rivals AMD's best offerings. This breakthrough means gamers can enjoy demanding titles without worrying about excessive power draw, an impressive feat for Intel. Intel's Arrow Lake series represents a significant leap forward in CPU technology, merging efficiency with powerhouse performance for gamers and creators alike. If you're excited about the future of gaming and tech, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights and updates.